Hi everybody, I am Dr. Madhav Rao, practicing psychiatrist in Mangaluru since past 40 years. Past couple of months, the entire world was gripped with one word: COVID, Corona, COVID, Corona. It's a thing, as you all know, which affects the human body. But unfortunately, equally or more than the body, it's gripping the human mind. And due to this, people are so much upset being confined to home, starting from panic anxiety to extreme depression. It's easily said that, one can advise that you do this, do that, don't think negative, be positive. So these advices are starting from elders at home to professional, even some psychologists and psychiatrists. But the big question is how to do it, because human mind, it's like a monkey, or it's like a bird in the cage, or it's like a tiger which is caged. It's always restless, never still. However much you put effort, it comes. It repeatedly comes, the negative thoughts. So how do we go about it? At the first place, I feel your mind is being bombarded with information. Most of it is unnecessary, and each one is an expert. And newspapers, social media, WhatsApp, TV, they give all sorts of information which is not authenticated at all. So just stick to WHO or Ministry of Health India as an Indian citizen, and your knowledge bank should be only that. The second thing is you're procrastinating. Were you not telling, I would have done this, I would have done that, but for my heavy work from morning 6 to evening 6 or 8 or whatever? Now this is the time where you can do small things. If you cannot do anything, just scribbling, you may not be an artist, you may not be anything, but just take a notebook and start writing points from your childhood, your oldest memory. To your surprise, it will be a biography with much information, autobiography. If you have a little garden, you can work there, plants speak to you. And if you do not have a garden, just get up, don't procrastinate, climb up the stairs and come down, do little physical activity or floor exercise or skip or whatever, that helps you. I strongly recommend that you live for that day, tomorrow, next month. Don't take a calculator and keep on calculating what would be the corona affected figure in June, July. That's not this one at all, which nobody knows. So just live for that day, that morning to night. That will go a long way. Negative thoughts often come, and it is always connected with emotion, either anxiety, panic, or it hits the depressive pool, and the tank one will break and it will pull you down. So most of this are imagery and imaginary. So you should consciously recognize this and slash those thoughts. And finally, despite of taking best of the precaution, be it hand wash, I will not go to the details, social distancing and whatever, despite of all this, suppose there is a possibility that any one of us, including me, we contact, let us bother on that day. After all, 80 to 90% are recovering without any medication. So it's only a few, very small percentage where it goes, much deeper to the respiratory system. And that day, let us bother. So till then, let's be happy, stick to the rules, stay home, and have a nice life, constructive things, whatever you can do, you think, and please do it. Thank you.